painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Thanks for joining me here in the no bra zone. I am gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna channel a little Rinska, kinda. She's so sweet, so full of energy. She makes me smile every time I watch one of her videos. But I thought I'd do kind of a different take on kind of a Dutch pour. But very little blowing. I'm gonna do a little bit more tilting instead. So this is kind of an experiment to see how that works out. So I've gone ahead and prepped my canvas today already, and I've used my Artist Loft Black, and I put about, I guess about 25% of the Sargent pearlescence into it. I don't like the way our blacks dry. I've yet to find a really good true black. So that just kind of gives a little bit of a shimmer to it. The colors that we're using today are the golden iridescent silver. We also have the golden iridescent pearl. Deco Art Metallics Rich Espresso. Golden burnt sienna is a little bit of some leftover paint from yesterday, and Deco Art Extreme Sheen Aquamarine, and I put a few drops of black in this to tone it down a little bit. So our paints are all mixed with 75% Floetrol and 25% Golden Yak 800. So let's go ahead and give this a shot. I'm lucky to be painting today. A few of our holiday guests have shown up, and they all headed off to the gym. God only knows why, but I figured I'd sneak on downstairs while they were out getting their workouts on and do a little bit of painting. This burnt sienna by Golden is just so rich. We'll just kind of swish that around. You know what? I don't think I'm going to use, I'll use the silver. What the heck? Nah, I'm not going to use the silver. So the golden iridescent silver is out. And here comes our pearl. One of my favorite colors. And I'm going to take some of our base coat mixed with the pearlescence, and I'm going to pour it around our colors. And then I'm gonna blow that black over these colors, and then we're gonna fiddle with it. My handy dandy blow dryer is on the cool setting, and here we go. We're working today, I forgot to mention, on a 12 by 16 gallery wrap canvas by Artist Loft that I got on sale at Michael's. Buy one and get two free. That's a wonderful deal. Now we're going to go ahead and just kind of tilt this and move this guy around a little bit to see what he does.